Thinking about getting a business credit card? Want to know if Capital on Tap is the right choice for your company? Stay tuned. In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Capital on Tap business credit card, how it works, what's in it for your business, and most importantly, does Capital on Tap report to the Business Credit Bureau? Now, before diving into the core features, let's answer a big question. Does Capital on Tap report your credit score to the Business Credit Bureau? Yes, Capital on Tap does report to Business Credit Bureau. This means that by using the Capital on Tap business card responsibly, you can build your company's credit profile over time.
Want to scale your business fast without wasting money on expensive courses? Stop spending hundreds on courses that don't deliver. Our free training, How to Scale Your Business, gives you proven strategies to grow smarter, faster, and with zero risk. Click the link in the description below now and get instant access to your free training. Don't waste another dollar on programs that overpromise.
As a result, you're not just getting access to funds, but building a solid credit history that could help you secure larger loans and more favorable terms down the line. Let's talk about the core features of the Capital on Tap business credit card. First, the credit limit. Capital on Tap offers credit limits of up to $50,000 in the US or $250,000 in the UK. Your credit limit is based on your business's creditworthiness and revenue, meaning if your business has a strong financial history, you can qualify for higher limits. Next up, interest rates. These start as low as 17.24% in the US or 13.26% in the UK. However, rates can be higher for applicants with a less than ideal credit profile, so keep that in mind. One of the best perks of this card? No annual fees. That's right, $0 for the standard card. And if you're someone who travels internationally or buys from overseas suppliers, you'll be happy to know there are no foreign transaction fees either. Now, let's talk rewards. Capital on Tap offers flat cashback. In the US, you earn an unlimited 1.5% cashback on all business purchases. In the UK, that's 1% cashback. And if you're a US-based cardholder, there's an auto-pay boost that can increase your cashback to 2% if you enroll in weekly auto-pay. Imagine that, more rewards for being on top of your payments. You can redeem your cashback in a few ways, as statement credits to reduce your balance, or for gift cards from major retailers like Amazon, Apple, or even Airbnb. In the UK, you can also convert points into Avios or Virgin points for travel rewards. Who doesn't love a free vacation? Capital on Tap makes managing your business expenses easy, with a suite of tools designed to save you time. For instance, you get unlimited free company cards for your team, with individual spending controls and real-time alerts. You'll always know what's going on. The card also integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and Free Agent, so your bookkeeping practically runs itself. Plus, you can instantly create virtual cards for secure online purchases, protecting your business from fraud. Ready to apply? The application process is quick. It typically takes under 2 minutes to fill out the form, and most businesses get a decision within 24 hours. Just remember, you'll need to be an active director or a majority shareholder of a registered corporation, LLC, LTD, or LLP. Unfortunately, sole proprietors, charities, and non-profits are not eligible. The best part? Capital on Tap does a soft credit pool for the initial application, which won't impact your personal credit score. Now let's weigh the pros and cons to see if Capital on Tap is the right fit for you. Pros: high credit limits, no annual fee, a user-friendly mobile app, and 24/7 customer support from real humans. Pretty solid, right? However, there are a few cons. There's no introductory 0% APR period, and for applicants with poor credit, the APR can be quite high. Additionally, some freelancers and sole traders may not be eligible. So, is the Capital on Tap business credit card the right fit for your business? If you're looking for a high credit limit, easy-to-use tools, and solid rewards with no annual fee, it might be just what you need. Want to apply today? Click the link in the description to get started. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and good luck with your business ventures. See you in the next video.
your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.